If you are in a relationship and you see that there is a dip in the bonding that you had or the kind of love that you used to share earlier, then this video is for you. First thing you can do is prioritize this person, your most important person, in your day to day life. Again, it could happen that since you both are together for a long time, you may have got so involved in your other work related or family related responsibilities that you tend to spend less time with your partner. So, consciously prioritize time that you spend with your partner on a day to day basis. The second thing is listen with undivided attention. Yes. And when you listen, keep your phones aside, keep your work related conversations aside, and just ask how the other person's day went and share your day, how it went. The third thing, which is the most important tip, is start consciously with the topics that take you both to a good place. Now, when the communication gap has arisen, it could be a possibility that you both tend to pick up any one of you tend to pick up a topic which may aggravate the other person. So you don't make that mistake and consciously pick those topics which take both of you to a happy place. I hope this helps. Thank you.